So first you need to print all the parts. Once you have all the parts, so the base, the platform, the screw, and the protractor, you can start the assembly. First, you take the protractor and with the little hole that's in it, you put it over the hole or the cylinder that sticks out of the platform. Once you have that there, you can put the platform into the base, which is very simple. There's the rails that have little slots. I don't know if you can see in the video. Then you put it on an angle. If the base is straight, you put it on an angle like this to the base, and you turn it so that they slide in seamlessly. And then once they're in, the protractor should rest on the top of one of the rails, and it should slide back and forth quite easily, like this. Then after you're done that, you put the screw through the hole in the base, and you start tightening it a few turns. And once it's tightened, then you stick the screw in the hole of the base. So you tighten the screw into the platform, which can swivel as you tighten it, and then you tighten it into the base. Once you're done, you can slowly tighten it, and the platform should start to move. And as you can see now, it's on an angle. So you're done assembling it, now you can start to test.